Today I want to give you a wonderful drill to improve your aiming. And it's not going to be usual drill just to put the ball to the pocket, but it's going to be to the specific part of the pocket. And that drill is going to help you to improve your sighting, shot approach, and general aiming. So I start blue of the spot, or any ball on the blue ball spot. I set it many balls so I could just play the shots. First thing, you just have to play pocket speed, so the ball just barely goes into the pocket. And second thing, you have to play without any sight on cue ball, preferably, especially if you're a beginner intermediate level player. And your task at the moment is going to be to hit to the left part from my side of the middle pocket. From your side, right part of the middle pocket. So I'm just going to adjust my sighting, the way I walk into the shot, for where I think from my eye perspective that I'm going to put the blue there. And if I'm going to miss the shot, which I'm going to show you how to fix yourself, I'm going to show how to fix your sighting position. So let's say I think that here is like I'm putting blue to the middle of the middle, and here I'm putting blue to the left part of the middle pocket, from your side, right part of the middle pocket. So I walk in, center part of the cue ball, and drop in. So as you saw, I hit it blue right here. Now I'm going to show you what to do if you miss. So for example, sometimes players, when they do this exercise, they, let's say, make a big switch. Let's say this is middle. So they decide to switch like this, too much to the left. And they very commonly missing the shot too much to the left. Something like this. So in that case, what they need to do, instead of moving too much to the left, so let's say if this is, from my perspective, middle, if they move too much to the left, and they remember that they stand there, they can switch with both legs, right and left, a little bit thicker. And it should give them a clearer view to hit to that specific part of the pocket. So again, we're going to hit to the left part of the pocket. Which I did. So this is how you make a feedback. So after you do that, then you play the same angle, and then you try to put the ball into the right part of the pocket. So here, the tool which I'm using this, you're standing like you do a regular shot and slightly switching to the right. You see? Smidgen. Of course, at the beginning you need a little bit of practice to calibrate that, but with practice you will get there. So you walk in, and then you play the shot. Which I did. I hit it to the right part of the pocket. And the tool which really helps me as well to sight the ball better. So not only the sighting position is important to put the ball where I intended, but also the way you walk in. So what I advise you is to, okay, you stand to the middle, you move slightly your body to the right, which makes, from my perspective, hit to the right from your to the left. And then I setting my both feet and cue straight to the aiming line I intended to hit the ball. And then dropping gradually down, and now I should get the job done. And also, a third tip is, as you saw, I'm staying down to the shot longer, so I could see where exactly I hit the ball, and that gives me a more clear feedback. And that is related to the quiet eye theory, that if you want to be a more consistent player, the better player you are, the more longer time you can hold contact on the object ball. So for the beginner players, of course everyone is different, I suggest to, on the backswing phase, focus on the object ball, because that's going to help you have a more accurate view on the view. But that's another topic which I'm going to make a subject. So now I'm going to play a regular shot like I always do. Just going to play the red ball to the middle of the middle. Okay, so I completed sequence. Left from my perspective, from your right. Right, left from your perspective, center, center. So when you finish doing from one side, you can do from other side. And you can do various angles. You can even do on the straight angle. So let's say if you are struggling on the straight shots, that's it's kind of, it's not a sight right. I'm not a sight right certified coach. I know a basic idea about that. Not really a fan of that. But basically, let's say if I want to hit the ball into the left part of the pocket, let's say this is middle of the middle, so I'm standing like this, and I'm just gonna try to hit cue ball and object ball to the middle of the middle. Okay? So now, if I want to hit to the left part of the pocket, from my eye perspective, I need to switch slightly, smidgen to the left, and in ideally, I want to hit left part of the pocket. Yeah? So it's very like side natural kind of thing. Kind of like sending square onto the shot because that really allows me to see the proper line. Okay? And now I'm gonna try to hit object ball to the right. Now I'm going to show you a bad example on purpose. So as I want to hit to the right, and but what very often happens with the students, they stand too much to the right, and they're missing the ball too much there. So the first step, as I said before, you need to make sure that the change is subtle, not big. Instead of being like here, you just be a little bit more straighter. Even more straighter, I think then I'm gonna hit to the right side of the pocket. Making sure that you set your feet and cue on the line first. That really helps to set your whole butt of the cue and front part of the cue on line. And play the shot. So, as I mentioned, you can do from here, kind of angles, from here. Also, when you get good with the middle pockets, you can play to the corner pockets like that. It's even more challenging. I would try to do ideally. Ideally is basically when the cue ball or object ball stops where it's like object ball is here, cue ball is here, so you're just making sure that cue ball stop in there and you hit it through the center of the center. I didn't practice that much recently, but yeah, with a little bit practice, it should be okay. I talk about specific snooker, so totally straight line, making sure that like butt of the cue and front of the cue is on line. As I said, this is a little bit for advanced players. If you want to do a beginner level, go to the middle part of the pocket playing softly. So I'm gonna play stand shot. Cue ball stopped perfectly, center of the center, really happy with this. And again, playing angles. Very tough. The more thinner angle, the more difficult, but I will try to hit the ball there. So really keeping attention on details, what you want to do. Okay, so, okay, I think this is center of the center, I think. So here probably is gonna be to the thicker side, right there. And I'm just gonna play slowly, it's just I could analyze information. As I said, sighting, short approach, staying down to the shot for the longer time so you could analyze the information more better. Okay. Okay. And now let's see. Yeah. So what happened right now? In my shot approach phase, I was looking to the thicker part of the object ball. I wasn't 100% confident, so my inner feeling was correct. So now, if my shot approach position, I mean, in there is gonna be better, I'm sure that is gonna get in. I mean, I was not confident about maybe 20%. So, okay, so center of the center is here. So smidgen, very smidgen. You see, I moved so little. So walking in. Okay, this is looking much better than previous one. Okay, take your time if you're not sure. And now let's see what is gonna happen. Play slowly. Stay down to the shot. Stay down to the shot. Perfect shot. Left part of the jaw into the pocket. Wonderful. So I already like feel into the moment like I'm in the practice regime, which is gonna really prepare me for the tournament play. Like I'm really happy if I did this for 1-2 hours, and then next day I would play, I would feel so much more confident. So now, same process to the right. Okay, center of the center. I think this is the correct line. Okay, what I need to do, slightly move to the right, a little bit too much. I feel that's a little bit too much. That's a perfect sweet spot. Okay, now maintaining that. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think I'm hitting to the right part of the pocket. Cue directions looking where I want. Wonderful. Okay, and now I'm gonna just drop in. And, you see, I was incorrect. Okay, that's giving me a feedback that I need to make slight changes. Yeah, so looking to the angle if you want to, center of the center, slightly move to the right more. So I guess I need to work more on that kind of stuff, but that's, you know, advanced level. So like this, like that. And let's see. Okay. Center to the center. No good. I mean, it's good that I pot the ball. I mean, for somebody who could be, you know, that's, but I need to hit there. Okay, come on, Virus. Right side of the pocket. Center of the center. Okay, so I moved even more to the right from my perspective. Okay, that's definitely thinner angle than angles before. Let's see. Come on. Uncut version. I'm not thinking anything, just showing how it is. Come on. Definitely thinner. Maybe the same like previous one. Look, I'm getting a little bit disappointed, but in the good way, like, okay, so this is what I need to do to make it sure that I'm hitting exactly there. So even more change. Come on. Thinner. Looks like a little bit overcut now, for sure. Come on, come on. Oh. Okay, I have 2 balls left. What I'm gonna show to audience, you know, I have to do this correctly. But you know, Vilus is Vilus, and he's gonna do the job until the end. Okay, too thin, definitely too thin. Come on, come on, come on, baby, come on! Oh, get in. Come on, the last shot for the match ball, decide and frame. Come on, Vilus, do it, come on. Visualize the outcome. Right, this is a mental part for you. Do it. Yes, yes. Get in! Yeah! Come on. Okay, guys, a little bit raw footage, uncut version. You can practice on the black ball spot, you can practice on the brown ball spot, yellow spot, green ball spot. Do it on your own pace, you know, 5 to half an hour duration. And I'm sure that by doing this drill, you're gonna improve your sighting, shot approach, and in general angle recognition, so you could put pot balls more precisely where you intended, and then when you're gonna come to match play, you're gonna be, that pockets are massive for you. Okay, take care, bye-bye.